isa sa mga pinakamalaki o parang ano baby no, malaking park dito no sa KL. Sorry guys, hindi pa kami masyado na guys. According lang sa aking friend na si JP, ito ang pinakamalaking park dito sa KL. So, ayan, paputok na ang araw.
Hello guys, we are done with our jogging. We are very tired. How are you, Mike?
I'm good, I'm tired. So guys, mga ka-self, natapos namin ng 10 kilometers. So, approve pa tayo anak? Ulit pa tayo ulit.
Oo.
So you understand mommy? I will speak Tagalog, Taglish. You understand na lang mommy, okay?
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Smile here.
So what are we going to say before we say bye-bye?
Don't forget
To like
subscribe
and hit the notification. And hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next
video.